Hello everyone, my name is Shayanto Shengupto and welcome back to another episode of Corporate Cricket Diaries powered by Capital Group. In today's interview, we have two special people. Firstly, we have Mr. Vivek Panchanda, who is the head of digital banking space at Yes Bank. And secondly, we have a very prominent face in the Bollywood and the television industry, Mr. Bhaktiyar Irani. Thank you so much guys for being in the interview today. It's such a pleasure and honor to have both of you amongst us today.
Our pleasure as well.
Thank you. So without further ado, let's quickly hop on to all the questions we have today. So firstly, Vivek sir, my question to you is take us through your cricketing journey. I mean, how did your cricketing journey start and when did you first don the sport?
Okay, I have been a sportsman all my life. Actually, I have represented the state in swimming, and I was captain of the Maharashtra water polo team.
All right, sir.
So the other sports was something which was an offshoot. Cricket is
Yes, sir.
essentially the
Can you guys
national
hear me?
sport of India. Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Hello, Bhaktiyar sir. Bhaktiyar sir
Hi.
joins us as well. So
Hi,
it's
hi.
a wonderful time to have both of you today. Thank you so much. So, sir, you've been playing water polo, you told me. So, I mean, how did your love for the game water polo start? I mean, did it stem
So,
from any particular reason?
like I said, I was a swimmer. Water polo
Yes,
was a
sir.
progression from there, and
All right.
that's how it happened. Like I was saying, cricket is the national sport of India. They may say hockey
Yes,
is,
sir.
but yeah, cricket is a national passion.
Yeah,
So everybody
absolutely.
played cricket, and
Yeah.
I used to play for my school. I used to play for my college. Once I got into
Yes, sir.
the professional college is when the sport gave. I gave up the sport uh,
Yes, sir.
per se because you got busy with your
Absolutely.
professional life.
Yes, sir. All right. So, I mean, you've been associated with the Yes Bank for a long time, and you've been associated with the IndusInd Bank also for a very long time. So, tell me, how
Right.
did cricket start at IndusInd Bank? I mean, you were the root cause of cricket at IndusInd Bank. So, tell me, how did things start off for cricket at IndusInd Bank?
So there is a corporate tournament which happens every year, which is known as a Corporate Sevens, Saran's Corporate Sevens.
All right.
That is how we
Yes,
started
sir.
off, playing in that tournament. My line manager happened to ask me to make a team at that point in time. He said, we need a cricket team. Why don't you go ahead
Yeah.
and do it? And we collected 7 individuals who could basically be a part of the team. We had one round of selections and the team was playing. Uh, in the first year, we
Yes,
lost
sir.
in the semi-finals to the eventual champions, which was Citibank, by 1 run.
So Vivek, sir, you were talking about IndusInd Bank and cricket at IndusInd Bank. So tell me, when you started off cricket at IndusInd Bank, was it a little tough to convince everyone, or was it a smooth process starting off things at IndusInd Bank?
It was very difficult. You have line managers who don't want their staff going and playing matches on a weekday, or even for that
Yes,
matter, a
sir.
weekend, because they believe they'll not be available for their regular work. But
Yeah.
once we started getting in the results, we started in showing what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
Things turned around. In fact, we got a lot of
Okay.
encouragement from the top management. They
Mhm.
were interested in having a very strong team competing and playing
Yes, sir.
everywhere.
Yeah.
That's how it went on.
All right. So starting off, in the starting, did you guys win a lot of tournaments, or like was it a little tough building a team from scratch and absolutely going without any experience and everything?
Initially, the results were not, as per what we had expected it to be.
All
Obviously,
right.
the other teams had been competing for a while.
Okay.
We had to find and fill in the gaps because, like I said, the first tournament we played, we only had one net.
Hmm.
So, it is difficult to judge, person's performance in an actual match
Yeah.
versus what he does in a net, right? So we had to
Exactly.
fill in the gaps. We had to do the
Yeah.
edits.
Hmm.
We played a lot of tournaments thereafter. So we used
Yeah.
to play 3 tournaments a year, and
Yeah.
we made these changes. The team
Hmm.
progressed, and it became a very competitive team by the time I left IndusInd Bank.
Okay. All right. So you started everything off and then you left to Yes Bank. So tell us, how was your journey at Yes Bank? I mean, Yes Bank has been playing cricket for a very long time. So, I mean, how
Correct.
was it, your transition from IndusInd Bank to Yes Bank? Talk us through your transition from one corporate team to another corporate team.
So fortunately for me, Yes Bank had a very elaborate structure in place in terms of how the cricket happens. In fact, they have an annual
Yeah.
tournament which happens, and that is how
Yes,
they
sir.
select teams. We had played against them in various tournaments across the seasons, so it was an easy blend. I knew most of the players; they knew me, So I didn't find
Yes,
it
sir.
difficult getting into the Yes Bank team. And yeah,
Yeah.
so far it's been good, but the lockdown has not helped.
Exactly. I mean, lockdown has affected a lot of us, not only physically but mentally as well. I hope all of you are taking care of your mental health as well. So, my next question to Bhaktiar sir. I mean, Bhaktiar sir, you've been a very prominent name, a very loved personality in the Bollywood industry, in the television industry as well. But not many people know about your love, about your association with cricket. So, tell all of your fans about your love with cricket and how did it all start?
It started with my friends playing in Bombay Gymkhana.
All
And
right.
in 2011 to 2014, I was in Dubai. And before that, in 2007 or 8, when India won the T20 World Cup, in 2007, I was just like, hey, what is T20 now? We always used to 40 over in a Bombay gym. So we started playing, and then it became a fast format. And, we started playing at Bombay Gym and CCI. And then the interest grew, and then it again went away. And then once I came back
Yes.
from Dubai, from my dance institute, and, I just started for fitness. Like right now, also, I don't like running on a treadmill or running on the ground and stuff like that. So what I do is I run on the batting wicket. So I keep running, I
Yes,
keep
sir.
running, I keep running, I keep batting. And I
Yes,
love the
sir.
sport because it keeps me fit, it keeps me agile, it keeps me like fast on my feet. So this is one kind of cardio which I do. And I always post my videos of my batting because I just feel that, it's
Yes,
something that
sir.
I like. And if I like to do something, I show it off also. And it just started. And then I started
Absolutely,
playing. And
sir.
then once
So
I
your
started
love for
playing,
batting is very much known by your reels on Instagram. Seen a lot of reels of your batting on Instagram on your account. So talking about your batting, sir, and your association with JNS Jaguars. So you're one of the best batters of JNS Jaguars, and you have 1,368 runs under your belt since its inception in 2016. So tell me how much hard work and practice goes behind achieving that consistency with the bat, and tell me like how did you hone your skills with the bat?
see, what happens is many a times with bowlers or with batsmen, what happens is we have phases. So we might do well, we might flop, we might come back. So when I started, I was not that good with JNS. I remember my first match was in BKC, and I just started getting to know the team, and
Yes, sir.
so my first year was okay. Then I picked up actually post my operation in my knee in 2017. So that's the year when I came back, and I came back after the physiotherapy and stuff like that, and I came back hard because I had to prove myself something. But it's not whenever a
Yes, sir.
bowler or a batsman in JNS does something, it is I just feel it's the effort of a management backing the player, whichever level
Yes,
that
sir.
is. It is the management
Yeah.
backing the player and the coaches
Yes,
who
sir.
put a lot of effort sometimes in behind a player. एक होता है reputation. उसके बाद होता है कि भाई, you're not doing well. This is where you need to improve and stuff like that. So always with um, our case, to be very honest, uh, JNS has been one team since 2000, I think 18. Yeah, 2018.
Yes.
Where you can't keep your spot or your place fixed in the team.
Okay. So
So
there's so much
everyone is
competition.
fighting for their spot. Yeah. So
Yeah.
last year it was, my competition this year probably would be with myself. That's what I told, Vivek also, who's the captain of our team, and, the management, that, I'm not competing with the opposite team. My competition is with probably 29 innings and 1,029 runs or 1,080 runs, which I've scored.
Yes,
And
sir.
I have to outbeat myself. So I have
Okay.
to play at a 44 per match ka average if I
All
want
right.
to outdo myself. So this is my effort, keeping in mind that I want to play like that. So that probably betters my game and probably helps my team.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. And you rightly mentioned about the role of a physiotherapist, role of a coach. All of this goes behind the scene. Whatever we
Yeah.
see, the glitz and glamour of batsmen, bowlers, all of them, they play in front of the screen and not a lot of times their contribution goes, but we cannot see their contribution. So my next question to you, sir, is that when you guys have an international level consulting coach, domestic level head coach, and fitness trainer like Mr. Patwal, Farhad Daruwala, Swapnil Hazare, that means you guys are receiving a lot of quality training. So tell me, how does that particular quality training and coaching help you guys perform in the match? So does that play a very huge role?
Oh, major.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
have, let's say, we're not only talking about a dad's tournament, you know, we can
Yes, sir.
actually, like, for example, today, if there is a CCIB team or, something like a Bombay Gymkhana team, we can whip their ass like 4 in the morning, like anytime.
Yes, sir.
We're not one of those dads team who are like, Petu chacha aa gaye khelne ke liye kind of a thing. We're fast. Now, speed comes from, practice, stretching. We've got, you name the thing. I think Ranji level Mumbai team has less facilities than JNS Jaguars.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I just
All
feel
right.
that
So
everything depends on how, like, there are so many teams. There are about 36 to 38 fathers teams today. We have got good quality players. Some players are ex Kanga League and they've played good quality cricket. But एक बार practice छूट जाती है, so ये हथियार छोड़ दिए लेकिन चलाना नहीं भूले. He'll still be better than the
Right.
rest. But the fact is that how
Exactly.
to hone that talent. Like,
Yes, sir.
everyone could be fielding the ball, but how fast can you field? How fast can you throw? How fast
Exactly.
can you aim the stump? How hard
Yes,
can a
sir.
catch can you take? So all these things matter. And sometimes it's just the catches and our bowling that actually win us matches. And to be very honest, 2018 November to 2019 Feb, we
Yes,
have
sir.
won 90% of our matches only through bowling and fielding. For me as a
Okay.
batsman, I've got targets like 87, 78, 93 to chase.
Yes, sir.
So we were hardly 1 wicket down and we were chasing. So, these things, एक regular bowler आके non-stop डालेगा, तब उसको वो pace, उसको line rhythm मिलेगी. So a lot goes behind, and it is the management who tries to accumulate funds through sponsors and get
Yes, sir.
sponsors and builds in quality. And it's just a one-man show for JNS Jaguars, and this man is down there. And
Yes,
right
sir.
from our quality of our t-shirts, the printing of our t-shirts, logo kahan aayega, kaise aayega, idhar
वही.
kya aayega, udhar kya aayega. So all this depends, and majorly it is Vivek's call, and then the rest of the management follow it, because it's like always when we JNS Jaguars come up and do something,
Yes, sir.
say let's get balls, to practice.
Yes, sir.
So SG Club, ya Kokabura, let's get the best.
Mhm.
Now we are staying in a
Absolutely.
hotel. We do international tours.
Yes, sir.
That's why I said Mumbai Ranji level doesn't do it. So we do
Exactly.
it. So when we do international tours, we go to Australia, we go to London, we go to New Zealand. Right now, like, Vivek planned that JNS Jaguars will stay in Pullman in Auckland, in New Zealand,
Yes, sir.
where the New Zealand team and the Indian team were staying. So there
Yeah.
were three teams.
All right.
There was JNS Jaguars, there was Indian international cricket team, and the New Zealand team. Now, I took my wife
Wonderful.
along, and
Hats off.
she was sitting
Yes.
with Kane Williamson and having breakfast, and she asked him, "What do you do in life?" So
Oh,
it was,
God. That
it
is
was,
amazing.
so it was embarrassing, but at the same time, it was so much fun, so
Super
much.
cool.
You're walking down, and Shardul is having breakfast, and Kohli is walking past by you, and that is something that is a thrill in life, is something that we've achieved because we are a part of Jaguars.
I think JNS Jaguar is more than just a team for y'all. It's more of an emotion to both of you, it seems. Like so much.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean, the
family.
kind of
I mean,
emotions which is visible on your face when you're speaking about JNS Jaguar, that's completely, that says that it means more than just a team to you, sir. Yes.
Obviously, see, it is basically your passion. It plays a. I could be
Yeah.
a football player,
Yes,
a
sir.
very good football player, and मतलब मेरे में वो swing है, batting है. So I know a friend of mine in Bombay Gymkhana. He's an actor called Arman Jain. He
Yes, sir.
used to act and all that. So he would come and whack the ball in the first 6 overs, and his role is done, like 9 balls, 30. But he's majorly into football. Now, whenever
All right.
I was like, साला ये अगर practice करे तो क्या must opening partnership हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So we have like
Absolutely.
proper Bollywood entering for Bombay Gymkhana when we go to bat. But then
Yes,
again,
sir.
his passion is football. And he
Yes,
never
sir.
cultivated into practice. He never, today, even if I've scored like a 70 something, 40 something, and an 80 something in my 3 matches that I've just played, I still want to, I cardio कौन करेगा? चल ना batting करते हैं. So I go and I bat.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I ask, अपनी टीम की
Yes,
प्रैक्टिस
sir.
नहीं है, दूसरे की अपनी JNS की दूसरी टीम की प्रैक्टिस है. Can I go there and practice? And the coaches would be like, yeah,
Yeah.
you're most welcome. So
Yes,
we
sir.
are a bunch of, every day we get a bunch of about 12 to 15 people coming at 6:45 in the morning till about 9,
Yes, sir.
9:50. And we don't train as in, chacha aaye bowling karke chale gaye. We have a proper, running, sprinting at 7 to 7:25, 7:30. Actually, when you practice with us 7:35, your day is over. Because after
Yeah.
that, what you're doing is mechanical. Your hands, feet just start moving because you're already tired
Yes,
and
sir.
gone. So your first
Yeah.
40 minutes, all these things, are, cultivated amongst our players. So
Absolutely.
today, if you tell me to go and bat, I just can't go and bat. I need to psych myself. I need to go alone. I need to run alone. I need to practice. Because, एक होता है कि opening batsman का काम is not of a joker's work, just come and, it's
Exactly.
ball swings, edge लग सकता है, नया ball है, किसी को pitch मालूम नहीं है, जाके batting करो. Your number
Yeah.
3, number 4 still knows कि boss ये हो रहा है भाई संभल के. We are just, so we need to zone
The
ourselves
face of
in.
the team.
The coach who talks, gives us throwdown. So we have about 5 people with us at any given point of time. The
Yes, sir.
throw arm
All
guy,
right.
assistant coach, fitness 2 people, then a physiotherapist. Sorry, there are about 5 to 6 people who
Yeah.
travel.
Yeah, exactly.
And we're a bunch of good, fun-loving guys. It is, let's put it across, it is our second family. Like I got friends
Absolutely.
like, Vivek and, all these guys. We travel together. I'll give you a Vayat example. Okay. Vivek was traveling for some work to Delhi. He
Yes,
said,
sir.
what are you doing, dude? Let's go to Delhi. I said, chalo yaar,
Yeah.
मौसम अच्छा है, चलते जाते हैं. So this doesn't build anything much, but it builds that camaraderie and that भरोसा कि यार मैं अगर
Absolutely.
काम में जा रहा हूँ, मैं अकेला हूँ, मैं बुलाऊंगा तो ये साला आ ही जाएगा. That भरोसा we also
100%.
have on field. So that
Yeah.
bankability is also on field कि ये आया है, बॉल हाथ में लिया है, bowling करेगा, pace change करेगा, कुछ तो करेगा. So that love
Yeah.
and everything we have.
Yes, sir. So, sir, talking about, you just said sometime back, you said that you have to chase very paltry scores. So, like 80 say 70, 80, सब 100 के नीचे आप लोगों को chase करना पड़ता है. So that speaks volumes about Vivek sir's captaincy. So, Vivek sir, आपके लिए एक सवाल है कि how did captaincy change you? Did captaincy affect you, or did it like make you a better player? Did it have any kind of impact on you, captaincy?
Yes, I think Bakhtiar will second it. It's had a calming effect on me. Otherwise, I am a hot wire on the field. I absolutely lose it if somebody, drops a catch or misses a ball. So as captain, I can't have my emotions on my sleeve. So it's actually calmed me down.
Yeah, exactly.
I know I have the responsibility
Yes.
of behaving as the senior statesman in the team. So yeah, that helps.
If
Yeah.
Vivek would have been in the international squad, he would be talking to the crowd more than his players inside. कोई भी
Oh,
बोलेगा,
wow.
कोहली चूतिया है, ये है, वो है, he would have said, "Hey, कौन है बोल रहा है साला ये वो." He would start talking to them because the see, basically, let's put it was started by someone, and then the
Yeah.
baby was given to Vivek, and right from
Yeah.
the hand to अभी 4 साल का हो गया लड़का, तो हम बोलते हैं ना हमारा बच्चा दूध पिलाया बड़ा किया. So probably
Right.
for him it is something like a 4 साल का लड़का अब who is grown
Yes, sir.
up and who is playing, and so his emotion can't be matched by our emotion.
Absolutely. Very
Right
well
from a
said, sir.
sponsor to booking a ground to booking the logos to keeping our caps, and we've got like
A man of many
international-
talents. Vivek sir is a
Yeah.
man of many talents.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
I should say the other day I was just I can't say what I told him with a little
Yeah.
nice language that I told him. He's the secretary of his building also.
Oh wow.
He
So many
handles-
feathers to his cap. I mean,
He's
this interview can
management
go
of
on
JNS
forever.
Jaguars. He's got another 2 teams under him, so he's got 3 teams. He's got a man, proper Lokhandwala complex ka building ka secretary.
Yes, sir.
Then uske bank
Yes,
ka
sir.
sab kuch. Then his different businesses or whatever that he does. I was like, 4-5 गाली के बाद क्यों इतना बड़ा क्यों?
Yeah,
You can just chill, you can
absolutely.
relax. But
Sir,
some people
100%.
just get energized. Some people just get the high, through what they do in life.
Yeah,
If he is
exactly.
not on the phone, if he's not calling, if he's not working, he feels he's useless. So I just feel that some people made differently, and I think we also
True.
took time to understand him. We also took a lot of
Yes.
time. Like you take time because you're not living with the person.
Yeah.
तो ये सामने वाली टीम से बात क्यों कर रहा है?
वही,
He starts
exactly,
a
sir.
conversation with them. Like, how dare you tell this my batsman anything?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's
Absolutely.
like that. So it's
Yes, sir.
and our slogan when we come together and make a huddle is that we play for the love of the game,
All right.
and
Okay.
then we say a Ganpati Bappa Moria. So that is our main thing. So we play for the love of the game, and then we've taken trophies, put it up in school. He's also gone ahead and told the school principal that keep it in the magazine to at least show that there is a cricket team and this is what they're doing for the fathers.
Yeah. Exactly.
Same sport is changed into football. The same organization like a Bayside Sports or a Sporto Buddy or all these guys have a football tournament also
Yes, sir.
for fathers.
Yeah.
But there is
For
no
fathers,
Vivek
it's a
there.
separate football tournament.
So yeah, there is no Vivek there. There is
Okay.
no management there. So Jamna Bhai,
Yeah.
even after having a team, is not a team.
All right. Yeah.
Because, at the end of the day, you are talking about a CEO of some bank.
Yeah.
You're talking about CEO of his own business. A guy
Yes, sir.
who does lots of loans in life and he gives people loans. Then you have a person who buys flats worth 16 crores. इन सबके ईगोस को एक बाजू रख के इनको गाली देना और उनसे काम करवाना एक आर्ट है.
100%. Yes, sir. Yes.
तो वो हमसे ना हो पाई. So ये बहुत सारी टीम्स का प्रॉब्लम है. And that's why they are where they are. So,
Absolutely.
I just feel like
Exactly.
there are so many, everyone is a 34 to 44 or 45.
Yes,
Okay, that is
Yeah.
the age bracket. Everyone has already achieved, everyone has started working or doing their own business or,
Akshay is the oldest in the team. He's 50.
my ass, bro.
Okay, so there's some camaraderie going in between here. So, all right. So, Vivek sir, my next question to you is, I mean, you're a stalwart of corporate cricket. You played for so many teams. So, Vivek sir, tell me, what are your main key takeaways and your main learnings from corporate cricket? I mean, is there something you've learned, something specific you've learned from corporate cricket?
So, I basically started playing corporate cricket with my first team, which was HDFC Limited. Okay, and I
Yes, sir.
used to actually see 55-year-old gentlemen who made up, almost 70% of the team coming in for practice every day in the morning, putting in the hours, and actually performing for the the organization in corporate tournaments. It taught me two things. One, how old you may get, your passion for the sport never dies. Two, even if you put in the hard works at the age of 50, 55, you are going to put in the yards in the nets, you are going to get the results on the ground. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it was easy for me to basically take that and transplant that into JNS Jaguars.
Yes, sir.
I basically told all the players, you lead the backroom piece to me. We'll take care of whatever, getting you fit for the match. You just turn up for
Yes,
the
sir.
match, turn up for the practice. We'll ensure everything
Yeah.
else is in place for you. So that is something which I was able to, copy and put it up.
Yes, sir. That's a sign of a very nice captain, a very able captain. All right, sir. So another question to you is like, you've been managing 6 teams professionally, conducting a lot of international tours, having a top level coaching team, participating in numerous corporate tournaments throughout the year. And all of this certainly requires a little bit of commercials. So how do you take care of that? And like how do you face such challenges, and how do you overcome such challenges whenever any kind of setbacks, any kind of like hurdles which come in place?
Like Corona.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, sir. The
So I'll
lockdown.
tell you what, the genesis of the international tournaments and the local tournaments was, there used to be one cricket tournament for JNS Jaguars in the entire year, which we used to play between
Yes, sir.
December and January, and then the
Yes,
season
sir.
was over. So you practiced
Yeah.
for 4 months,
Hmm.
and you played a tournament in between. December, January, the tournament is over, and there's nothing to do. There was no
Okay.
motivation for the players to come back, practice, for us to do
Yeah.
anything. So we thought, basically in Bombay, the off season starts from end of May, it goes up right up to October. So why don't we
Yeah.
practice for an international tournament? Okay,
Yeah.
and this was a suggestion that came in from one of our first sponsors. He said, "Why don't you all travel to Sri Lanka? Go and play a
Yeah.
tournament over there.
Hmm.
Not only will it get you a motivation to be match fit, it will also get you the
Hmm.
motivation to practice."
Yeah.
The sponsors, I think we have been fairly lucky that we have gotten certain sponsors who have come in and helped us. We basically
Yes,
hit
sir.
the sweet spot for them because we're the age group of 32 to 45, which not
Yes,
too
sir.
many people cater to.
Hmm.
But yeah, the first brand that came on board was a nutrition was a fitness drink brand. Okay, and they
Okay.
said your age group is the one will be more into alcohol and mixers. If I'm able to cater to even 10% of the people who can have my energy drink, I'll be happy,
Yes,
right?
sir.
The second partner that we got on board is basically a fitness partners, Exafit, right? They are
Yes,
into
sir.
supplements. Again, their age
Hmm.
group that they cater to is the 25 to
Hmm.
45 people who work out, people who are exercising, people who
Hmm.
need to basically keep themselves fit. So
Hmm.
we basically fit into their category.
Okay.
So it's been an offshoot. We have been able to get in good sponsors. It has helped. It is always a struggle getting new sponsors on board. It's a struggle keeping the sponsors on board because, like we said, we are not we have one star which is Bhaktiyar, but we obviously don't have too many stars per se. Our
Yeah.
performances speak for themselves. So the results over the years have helped us reach out to the market and get
Yeah.
in more sponsors over a period of time.
Yeah.
Corona
Yes,
has
sir.
hit us bad, but again, in these
Yeah.
times also, we have managed to get in the funds. People who committed
Yes,
funds
sir.
to us have kept their promises and helped us
Yeah.
keep the team going.
Yes, sir. So talking about sponsors, sir, do you think like all these sponsors and marketing and tool, these are important tools for marketing and increasing the sales and brand of a company?
Correct? Absolutely, they help.
Yes, sir.
What we try and ensure is that whichever sponsor comes on board, we give them the the outreach with our social media handles. We
Yes,
basically
sir.
connect with see it's ultra like Bhaktiyar had mentioned. We're the ultra HNI segment, and we
Yes, sir.
cater. I mean, when we play tournaments, it's about 2,000 such players who are playing in the same circuit. They have everything
Yeah.
in life. They would obviously want the upwardly and mobile, applications. They would want the upwardly and mobile products. If we are our sponsors able to cater to them, it's a win-win
Yes,
situation for
sir.
both.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Absolutely. So, what are your future plans with JNH Jaguar? Any tournaments you all are looking forward to bag a victory where you guys haven't won something? What is your like future success, future roadmap for the JNH Jaguars?
Okay, so any JNS Jaguar player, if you would even wake them up at 2 o'clock in the night and tell them
Yeah.
which is one tournament that we all want to win. I think, okay, I don't know about all, which is one tournament Vivek wants to win, and everybody will say it will be the Bayside School Dads tournament. We have come very
Yeah.
close to winning it about a couple of times.
Yes, sir.
We will get around to it, I'm sure.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Wishing all of you all the best for the tournament, and I hope you guys will win it. And so, finally, a question to both of you. Like, if you had to describe the Jimmy Jaguars in one word, how would you describe it? Like, just one word. Describing every emotion, everything. Both of you, one word.
I would say evolving. We are constantly evolving.
Evolving. Okay, amazing. Bhaktya, sir?
I would say passionate.
Passionate. Amazing. I mean, yes, passion was visible in your face as well as Vivek sir's face when all of you were speaking in lengths about Chennai Jaguars. So Vivek sir, my next question to you is like, Yes Bank has been associated with cricket for such a long time, and it has been playing in so many tournaments. So do you think it has been helping in a lot of sales and marketing of the brand?
So most of these tournaments, the scorecard comes in the newspapers. So it obviously helps
Yes, sir.
in the brand recall is definitely there. It helps.
Yes, sir.
You read the name multiple times. It does help. Also, if there's a certain performance which is exceptional, there's a photograph that comes in along with the player and the logo. So that is pseudo marketing which happens. So
Okay.
that insofar that helps. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So nice to hear. All right, thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure talking to both of you. Thank you for sparing out your time, and we'll see you again. Thank you so much for the fun interview.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Cricket Graph. Thank you, Vivek, for everything. Thank you, guys.